Starch is often discussed in the context of energy and blood sugar, but one of its most remarkable and beneficial forms is resistant starch, which quietly performs a range of essential functions in the body, especially in the digestive system. While not all starch behaves the same way once ingested, resistant starch stands apart for its unique ability to act like dietary fiber. Rather than being fully broken down and absorbed in the small intestine like regular starch, resistant starch resists digestion and travels intact to the large intestine, where it becomes food for the gut microbiota. This lesser-known function of certain starches reveals a powerful and highly positive story about the role of carbohydrates in promoting health at a foundational level. What makes resistant starch so special is how it feeds the beneficial bacteria in the colon, supporting a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Once resistant starch reaches the large intestine, it is fermented by these bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids, most notably butyrate. Butyrate is a critical compound for gut health. It nourishes the cells lining the colon, helps reduce inflammation, and has even been linked to lower risks of colon cancer. In fact, a well-fed microbiome, supported by resistant starch, can strengthen the entire digestive system and help regulate immune responses throughout the body. This connection between starch and gut health is one of the most promising areas in modern nutritional science, and it shows that the benefits of certain carbohydrates go far beyond basic caloric energy. Foods that contain resistant starch include green bananas, cooked and cooled potatoes, legumes, lentils, barley, and whole grains like oats and brown rice. When these foods are prepared and sometimes cooled after cooking, the structure of the starch changes in a process called retrogradation, which enhances the resistant qualities. This means that something as simple as a cold potato salad or overnight oats isn't just tasty and convenient. It's also actively supporting the health of your digestive system in ways that few other nutrients can. Incorporating these types of starches into a regular diet can promote regular bowel movements, reduce bloating, and support better nutrient absorption by maintaining a healthy gut environment. Another reason to celebrate resistant starch is its gentle, natural way of supporting satiety and weight management. Because it behaves like fiber, resistant starch slows down the digestive process and helps maintain a feeling of fullness long after eating. This can lead to more controlled hunger signals and fewer cravings, helping people eat in tune with their body's needs rather than in response to blood sugar dips or emotional triggers. This effect contributes to more balanced energy throughout the day and can also support efforts to maintain a healthy weight without the need for strict dietary rules or avoidance of carbohydrates. Beyond digestion, the effects of resistant starch ripple outward into other systems of the body. The short-chain fatty acids produced during fermentation help maintain the integrity of the gut barrier, which is crucial for preventing leaky gut and systemic inflammation. Since the gut is deeply connected to immune health, mental well-being, and even hormonal balance, nourishing the microbiome with resistant starch can have wide-reaching benefits. There is growing evidence that a healthier gut, supported by these specific types of starch, can improve mood, reduce anxiety, and even help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It's a compelling reminder that our digestive health is not isolated from the rest of our body, and that the foods we eat play a central role in supporting total wellness. Another encouraging aspect of resistant starch is its accessibility. Unlike expensive supplements or exotic superfoods, resistant starch is found in everyday items, bananas, beans, rice, potatoes, and simply requires a bit of thoughtful preparation. It's an approachable and sustainable way to boost digestive health without complicated routines or strict dietary plans. This accessibility makes it especially valuable in public health contexts, where affordable solutions for better gut health are always in demand. Resistant starch offers a brilliant example of how something once overlooked can turn out to be incredibly beneficial. In a world where starch has sometimes been reduced to a dietary villain, resistant starch stands as a quiet hero, supporting gut health, encouraging balance, and promoting long-term well-being from the inside out. When viewed through this lens, starch is no longer something to fear, but something to embrace with care and awareness. By including more resistant starch in our diets, we do more than feed ourselves. We feed the very system that helps us absorb, defend, and thrive. It's a powerful reminder that good health often begins in the gut, and that nature has already provided us with the tools to nourish it, simply and effectively, every day.